It's a blizzard coming.
You feel that?
Wow. Butter dripping off syringes for my cash intentions. Jumped off the ceiling, stabbed the henchman, left a bad impression. Lift the floorboards like fuck the awards. I take this all, you download what I record, cause this is sauce. Sprinkle boogers in these Dutchess while watching your stock plummet. You drop rubbish, I rock silk in the spot while the twat cometh. Black cousin, you see hot ones, shed a tear and grow wings. You going out like Malone with no rings. I know things to make a grown man cringe and disgust. You can't do business with us. Grown woman eating cottage cheese out my dick in the truck. Judge said piss in the cup, my blunt still filled with the stuff. Hit the runners off, my demeanor like listen to puff. Yeah, I still own a scale in the PJs. Thinking jets, PJs and arms reach like the trail. Fuck your hopes and dreams, they broken. I fiend for forklift paper. He made ice with snow till he got wet. I call this nature. Nomenclature earning notes now. Don't say that you want the smoke now. That's like being in a prison shower, willingly putting the soap down. Hey dog, we don't rock sombreros, but we keep pistolas. My primo body, you done bump Tito Rojas. They show up at the quinceañera. You on the road like a possum, pants full of Nutella. What could you tell us? The legend showing recognition. I just get the bag, you had to get permission. Intuition brought me to the stove again. I be a cadaver before I'm broke again. I'm like Kruger when you sleep and I exploit your weakness. You and your boys probably smoking hookah on the weekends. I chop a boiled egg to increase spinach. Cop 5 more and do the speed limit. Manteca sweater, that's a 101. Bubblicious bitches sticking to me like bubblegum. Told her I was leaving, I'll be gone to November. Out of town in the Centra, seats full of polenta. Meanwhile, lames out here rapping like they got the cojones now. Like they Magic, LeBron, Jordan, and Kobe now. I don't care what blog posted the garbage record. I'm hardly even a skeptic. Consider me narcoleptic. To be the man, you gotta beat the man. The only wave is distribution and a piece of land. I'll bring the sauce to your front door like the pizza man. Half my body out the window of a green sedan. I don't fit through the sunroof. I've been eating good cause I'm spitting like I got one tooth. I body every track that Buck throw me on. You hear the and you know what the fuck is going on. Pound a dank with more shake than Parkinson's. Leave the booth and hit the avenue with margarine. We never settling for crumb cake. We money taking Monday through Sunday. All of y'all get spooky when the blood spray. I bet you go to Fridays on Fridays. I kill Springwood in one take. Sweet dreams, you better stay awake. You better watch what your son say. I roll him in the carpet, fuck the feng shui. Fuck this couch. Fuck your fish tank. You know what I'm saying?
Fuck everything, basically.
We don't give a fuck about nothing, really.
You don't want to smoke.